Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you are here. So we're going to start off cutting some papers, and this is paper from the Enchanted Wishes paper pad. Isn't it so pretty? I just love every single paper, and this blue and gold has me it's so enchanting. And it goes so well with the fairy tale theme this month, and I'm using the box of the month is what I'm using this month. And I was just having fun cutting strips, and so I just decided I'm gonna start filming here cutting my strips. And I wanted all kinds of different pattern papers, and why not? And I'm going to cut my panel here at, I believe it's going to be a little less than 4 by 5 1/4 is what I usually do, but I think it's going to be a little tiny bit smaller. So, and that's going to be fit on my white card base. So my strips, I do have them cut at 1 1/8 by 4 1/4, and then I have some other ones at 7/8 by 4 inches. So I will have those in the description. And let me tell you about our hop for Not Too Shabby shop today. So it's a little bit different. If you place an order by July 15th midnight Central Standard Time, you can get a free surprise gift. And if you put fairy tale in the notes before you check out, then you are guaranteed a free gift. So make sure and do that by July 15th midnight Central Standard Time, and I'll have that in the details for you below. And don't forget to put fairy tale. And so let's get back to my card. So strips and glitter and lots of patterns and ephemera. I just love ephemera, and I love strips and I love pattern paper. And so always keep your scraps unless they're too thin. But the other day, or maybe it was last week, I found a 1/4 strip, and it was exactly what I needed. So you just never know, and that put a smile on my face. So I'm just looking to see what other strips I can use. I didn't want to cut any more papers, so we're going to go with these strips here. And to make sure that everything looked right, I didn't want my birds sideways. So, you know, it's a lot of thinking here. So, but I was having fun, and I don't know if this ever happens to you, but you know, someone's talking to you, like if my husband was talking to me across the room, and I'm like, yeah, and I'm trying to put this card together. So, yeah, so that's what was going on while I was putting this card together. So, I wasn't by myself, undisturbed. I was trying to multitask here. So, and I like how this card came out. I love using lots of paper, so this was a good way to use different patterns. And I will also stamp a sentiment as well. So we also have an Instagram hop, so don't forget to hop over there as well. And just you know, the team has lots of inspiration. If you subscribe and get one of these boxes, or you know, there is a stamp of the month, there is the box of the month that I'm using, there's junior box of the month. So just there's a paper pad club I don't know if I mentioned that, but you save money getting these subscriptions, and it's just so fun getting it to your door once a month. You just never know what you're gonna get. I know Jamie shows sneak peeks at the end of the month, but if you don't want to see those and you just want to be surprised, then that's fun also too. So I'm gonna stamp my sentiment, and it's gonna say every fairy tale starts with a story, and I just love that. So cute. All the sentiments in this stamp set are, I love every single sentiment and image. It's just so fun. And I'm just adding my enamel dots, and I will share a close-up. And I had so much fun with you joining me today, and I will be back with another video soon. So here is my close-up.